And we live from Europe. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. We've got STSS finally jumping up. We already discussed this one with our elite members last week for this breakout that was about to happen from the 30 or the 3 cent. We have the breakout early in the pre-market, guys. Huge jump, almost so over 100%. Now it's pulling back toward the 36. THTX jumping up from our resistant. Everybody doing all right now. RX, yes, is preparing for a breakout as well. GameStop, we have a little breakout here before even the market open. Let me just adjust the resistance for GameStop right there around just below the 29.90. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button and the way in. Welcome wherever you are. We got a newcomer here, a new member to the unicorn family, XAGE, jumping almost 200, no, 100%. Yeah, it almost hit the resistance around the 33. Yeah, this one could be good, guys, for today. We got 33 resistance, 44 target. And now it's pulling back toward the 20. Yeah, almost hit to the target here. We got a little resistance just below the 33. So, good morning, everybody. The market doing all right for the swing trade stocks. Palantir, 7%. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? For Palantir doing fantastically good. Before even the market open, guys, we got 7%. This is what we waiting for. We got a reversal, guys, confirmed for Palantir. SMCI doing great as well, 5%, 6%. SMCI was 6% and Palantir was 2%, and now Palantir doing 8%. It's getting near a resistance, for my opinion, around the 98. We might have a little pullback for Palantir. RH, we watch this one as well as a candidate for today. AMD 4%, Coinbase 3%, Tesla 3%, the SPY doing crazy good. We've got the reversal, guys, for many stocks. So today could be the day to watch for this reversal to happen. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Amjad, good morning. Bull market, yes. Yes, the SPY is the 547. Yeah, this is the confirmation for today. We have 547, give or take 549. So yeah, the breakout should be around the 549 for today. This will be an imminent breakout, guys, and this will give us at least going toward the 569 for the rest of the week and the month. Yeah, the SPY started to reverse fantastically good for today. So let me know, guys, what you think the market will go to. For us, for the chart is the 549. Palantir is the mover for today, the bigger mover for today. Yeah, we got a fantastic job for Palantir reversal. Today we could have a little more jump. So there's still room for another jump for Palantir, guys, before the market open, 2% more toward the 98, and then we might have our pullback. I'm watching Palantir closely because it did really great from last week. 7%, not bad, guys. Let's get right to it. Today is the day to see a reaction for the market finally. And we got Goldman Sachs doing all right. Yeah, 3% for today. XAGE is pulling back. STSS already pulled back and the reversal is started to happen. THTX, this one could be good as well for today. RX looking great for today as well. Okay, watch out. RX looking fantastically good here. THTX could be good as well. THTX, I think we don't have THTX, guys. So I'm gonna take it from the list. I'm gonna keep STSS and XAGE. Yeah, XAAG is still looking great. So we only have three that might be good for today. Yeah, so I'm gonna put here GameStop doing all right as well, 2% for today. XRX, RXRX doing fantastically good, breaking out right now from the level around the $6, holding over the $6. This is a good reaction. STSS still looking great, guys, from the last week. We're still holding the gain for STSS. We discuss it with our hunters, with our elite members for STSS, guys. We discussed the breakout last week for STSS from the 30 cent or the 3 cents. Doing fantastically good. We got a resistance right now to break around the market open just below the 5 cents. And the main target is the 66. This is the top target for today. I don't know if we could buy more for today. No, the limit to buy is 10,000 shares for this penny stock in Europe. We don't have more limits. SMCI, yes, looking great. Let's see the full market if something moving. BBI started to move a bit. MLGO, nope. TIVC, those the stock that we discussed last week. Wow, AREB jumping again. This one I don't trust that much, man. Always jumping, then dumping. I don't trust it that much. So as we said, Palantir, guys, we need a little more jump for today to test the 98 before a pullback. This is my target for today, guys. For Palantir, do 7%, really big jump for today, more than SMCI. RH is still, there's room for a jump here. There's a huge room for a jump. Good evening, John. Good evening. Let's get right to it, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Today should be the day for a reversal on the market. Let's get right to it. Okay, STSS is still holding, guys. We still got some action. STSS, we got a little pullback here. This is normal. The idea here, we should hold for a reversal up. RX, as we said, we got a nice breakout right now from the $6, guys. RX could be the one for today. Yeah, it could be the one to watch closely. Even though it's not a main or is not the strongest, but it's still the main one. AREB getting hot, yes. But remember, AREB, we don't trust it that much because we got halted before here on Thursday, if you remember. After done halting, got shorted around our profit taking, then never recover and go down. Now it's going up, but still below the resistance around the 12. So it is too risky here. And now we have another resistance here to break at the market open over this ascending channel. So every time we break, then go down, break going down. So it doesn't hold any level. For now, if we want to confirm this breakout, brother, we have to hold over the 7. So I'm gonna keep it because yeah, as is 33% is not a small number. It's a big jump. So there is someone buying. So the 7, it is the level that we keep our eyes close to if we don't want to have a flush toward 370. RX moving 5%. We got the target for RX at the market open just below the 690. This is my target for today. We might do 13%. This one as well, guys, looking great. XAGE or XAGE could be a good candidate for today if we held here over the 25 cents. We'll confirm if we're strong or not. And it could be good, yeah, to go toward the 35 at least. If we have the 35 would be great, at least after we break the 31. Okay, so those the main unicorn for today, guys. The main unicorn for today. I'm gonna double check if we got something else in the pre-market. Double checking. Pump and dump for PTN. FPH. Oh no. So yeah, we got those stocks right now. The main ones, Palantir is still jumping, guys, 8%. As we discussed, Palantir could be the good candidate for today to squeeze. Jumping 8%. This is not normal, guys, for Palantir jumping 8%. I think we got, yeah, every investor have more confidence right now after the tariff lift off. The same with SMCI. Yeah, SMCI have a target around the 37, 39. If we pull back today to fill the gap, we should hope over the 33. For Palantir, the same. If we pull back, the support for this week should be over the $90, guys. A psychological level for Palantir to hold over. And there's another psychological level below the $100. But so far, so good for Palantir. Yeah, so far, so good. At the moment, we are on the good trajectory for a reversal. We are technically reversed from the bottom around the 60, almost 50%, guys. Not bad. Not completely bad performance. XAge jumping up, guys. XAge holding the 25. We might have a breakout for it. Sally, good morning, brother. How are you doing? VKTX, coding phase, doing great, man. How are you doing? Doing great, brother. Enjoying life. Okay, let's see. CDT has a nice consolidation curling up, have a lot of good news last week. Yeah. Okay. I don't care about the news that much if the news doesn't fit the technical. I don't care, it's mean fake news. So I'm gonna check CDT Santush to confirm if it's good. VKTX, I will check it as well. Good vibes. Good vibes. I like your name, man. Bringing good vibes here. Nvidia levels looking great, man. Wait a second. Let me just check those stocks first. VKTX. Yeah, good news, but the trick is this one is heavily shorted. Yeah, it's really heavily shorted since wow, since October last year. It's still correcting. But now we've got a reversal around the 22 or the 23. So should be the bottom because the market started to react. So Viking Therapeutic should be good if we held the current support right now over the 23. The target that we should break for VKTX to confirm we have a great news is the 35.87. Now, yeah, we did 19% in the pre-market alone, so it's not bad. Yeah, doing all right as well. Doing pretty fantastic, for my opinion, for this stock. It almost hit the support bottom around the 16. We went until the 18 instead. So yeah, Viking looking good, man. Did 3% last Friday, now 19%. A really great jump here. So not bad. Thank you for bringing this up to us or to our attention. Let's check CDT. CDT 4%. I don't like it, man. Pumped and dumped from the 144. It's too dangerous. Code and face, really great to hear, man, that you bring you got back what you lost. A lot of people don't get back their losses ever again. So this is good that you came back big on 2024. Let's make 2025 better, man. The only way to be better trader is to never take a loss, or take a loss and learn from it and improve. This is the only way forward, man. Great to hear. Success story. It's good to share with us what you did right, brother. To change from the big loss in 2023 to 2024. What you think that the major factor that made you be better trader? This will be great to learn, or for our viewers to learn from our traders here, success stories. So this is good. Next level, he said he stopped trading and recovered. No, it doesn't count like this. If you stop trading, it doesn't count. So let's get right to it, guys. We've got 4 minutes left. Main event for today: STSS, RXRX, XAge, and ARAB. Those the main stocks for today. Let us bring our disclaimer before the market open for today, and of course, not forgetting the disclaimer. Yeah, we got just 3 minutes left at the market open. Okay. Remember, guys, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Hit the like button and the way in. Let's have a green day today. The market is pumping up. Palantir, the SPY. We got SMCI. We got the major resistance for all of them. So, guys, don't forget to press the like button. Share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. Support the channel by just liking, this commenting. Do whatever you like. So it's karma. Whatever you do, guys, will come back tenfold to you. So let's get right to it, guys. We've got a huge day for us for today. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. So before the market open, let's make 50 likes, guys. Now we got 21 likes. Let's make it 50. If we make it 50 today, the market will be a huge green. If the market open and we have less than 50 likes, the market will be red. Let's make it green. Hit the like, guys. Come on. Hit the like button on the way in and let us hit the market. STSS is still fighting. Let's go. How many minutes left right now? 30 seconds left. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. Next level, yellowing on RXRX. uh, Aha, code and paste. Good, good. This is what we said, guys. Always take your profit at least 50%. Good, man. Good code and paste that you took our advice to always take profit on the way. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is open right now. Lift off. Let's have a lift off. We need a lift off for the market. We need some green in the market, guys. We need some green. Let's see the market, what's going on. Palantir jumping, RH jumping as well. SMCI, not okay, still holding. Palantir, guys, doing fantastically good at the moment. Let's see if we're gonna have more jump for Palantir. Yeah, Palantir could be the one for today if we broke the 98.11. Wow, Palantir is really strong for today. We have a big buyer around the 95. That's why jumping again around the 96. Wow, 97.30. 98.11 should be a major resistance for Palantir. 10% for Palantir, guys, for today. This is madness, man. This is big. This is a huge. Yeah, I think this is it for Palantir here, guys. I think this is it. RH is pulling back a bit. We got a really low action here for RH. Palantir, we expect a pullback now. SMCI pulling back a bit. If we go on STSS, we're still holding. RXRX is pulling back down. So we got a bit of fake out here at the market open. The main resistance now is around the 629. Watch out, RXRX, we got updated level right now for the resistance around the 629. We need to break the 629 to go toward the 690. For now, it's pulling back because, yeah, the volume is a bit light on it. So the main one is STSS, guys, is still holding the gains. We discussed this one with our elite members last Friday. It was good because we spotted the resistance, but we didn't break last week. And our hunter night trader, you asked me about any unicorn. We said two. We got Bong and STSS. STSS tested the 30, 030 and didn't break, but we broke after that today. And now we're still holding our current support, guys, for STSS over the 37. Now we got the target to break and hit around 0.48 here. This is the current resistance and profit taken for STSS. The only unicorn for today. And if you're wondering, guys, why we have just 400 euros on this trade, because we have a limit in Europe. We have a limit on buying penny stocks. So STSS have a struggle to break a little resistance here. Yeah, we got a little resistance around 45. AREB, the same, guys, pull back right now. We got a pullback from this resistance. STSS is jumping up right now, guys. Palantir, of course, pulling back because we got the resistance. SMCI pulling back. RH pulling back. AMD, Coinbase, we have a little pullback because, guys, the SPY still didn't break the 549. So this is normal that we got the pullback. This is completely normal. Okay, STSS is still fighting here, guys. Still fighting. Need to break the 45. If we didn't, we're gonna go back down. Current support is around the 37. Are we? I thought that like that we are halted, but we're not. Yeah, we're not halted yet. Let's double check the stock that is halted for today. We got ICCT, IREB, Bull, all halted. ICCT is halted up after we going down. Yeah, AREB is halted down. STSS is still the one, guys. Still the one. Palantir, yes, it's pulling back just below the resistance. We got a pullback market, guys. Be careful. A bit of pullback market. Interesting. STSS is pulling back. I think we got the seller guys added their position right now around the 45. Yeah, there's a big seller. We should have broke this level already, man. Yeah, we should have broke this level already. Here. This is before the market open, and here at the market open. So it might be wise to exit right now. Yeah, it's pulling back now. How everybody doing? ICCT levels, I will check it. Someone said bull. Yeah, bull is bulling out up. Yeah, bull, we have, this is a new IBO, I think. Yeah, new IBO is too dangerous, man. Yeah, it's big gainer for today, but I don't trust it that much. We have a bottom around the $15. It could be good. Support around 24. And maybe a target around the 36. Yeah, we got a nice target around the 36. Could be good. This one is a bit dangerous. We got a big seller right now around the 33.52. But the trick is the support is a bit far. Is the wide range of support. Yeah, almost 17%. So I don't completely like it. AREB, I think, is an unhalted, but still over the 7. So watch out, guys. If AREB broke the 7, is not good for today. If it held, yes. we might get reversal. XAGE is pulling back a bit, still have a room for a pullback toward the 22 and the 18. STSS is still holding the 36. So we have a bit of like cautious market, is not strong market yet. THTX looking all right, but we don't have it on our broker in Europe, so that's why I don't put it on the list, even though it's about to break the 290. Tesla pulling back, Palantir pulling back. We have a pullback market. This is the by far the worst case for any market. I don't like this kind of reaction. The pre-market open or pre-market, you see it green, then the market open and we got a pullback. So it's not about what you like or this you don't like, because the market doesn't care about what we like. The idea here to be ready once the market doing fantastic in pre-market, we should trade it in the pre-market. And if the market open and we have red day, you should exit at the market open and don't trade during the market open, because you see today is a good example. Today in the pre-market was fantastic, market open not that good, and we pulled back. Palantir was almost 10%, right now 5%. You see a huge pullback considering the 5% for Palantir is big. But in the big picture, still we are not that bad, especially for Palantir and SMCI. AMD is going back to fill the gap, guys, around the 93. The same for NVIDIA. The SPY, the same, want to fill the gap, guys. We got near the turning point. The turning point for SPY just below the 550. But yeah, the short seller have a different talk. They said not yet. Not yet, guys. STSS is still holding. Bull halted down. AREB still holding sideways. So those the stocks that looking fantastic. Even though we don't have a breakout for today yet, but so far we don't have a flush, so this is good. For bull is still is halted down right now. It is too risky, man. I think we already discussed the level for ICCT, John. We discussed ICCT levels, but I'm gonna confirm it with you. ICCT, I don't like it that much because the breakout or resistance is a bit far. And we have a huge wick here. So ICCT, guys, watch out for the 275. This should be the bottom. It is a bit wide and a bit low, around 30%. Yeah, I know. That's why it's too risky for ICCT. High risk, high reward for this play, guys. For now, we got a little bit of breakout and maybe resistant around the 464. Current profit taken, it is around the 525 and the 620. For now, it is tricky because we still didn't break the trend here and we still below the 464. I'm gonna add another support for ICCT to watch out for to confirm that, which is over the $3.51. $3.51 should be the support. 274 should be the second support. Now we still yeah, we might retest the $3.50. If we broke the $3.50, I will tell you, John, to wait better for a better dip here and there, just over the $2. If we held, yes, we're gonna have a reversal to retest the 464, which is the resistance, the profit taken. After that, once we break, we're gonna have a huge explosion toward the 525 and the 620. Now is pretty light on volume, man. Pretty light for now. STSS, what's going on? Yeah, STSS still didn't break yet. XAGE still didn't break yet. Weeble is putting back. By far, it is a successful IPO because it went from the 16 toward the 9. Yeah, it pulled back almost 40%. Then from there, reverse and did almost 300% in just 2 days. So Weeble, guys, pretty strong IPO and volatile because we still didn't find common ground yet. Let's see again. Weeble still hold it. We got a newcomer here, HPH. I don't know how it's doing or hold it up or down, but I'm gonna check it right now. HPH. Nope. HPH. Nope. Have I think a reverse split, so it's not that good. The SPY is still nothing. Palantir still going down. SMCI the same. AMD almost filling the gap here. So we have a bit of weaker market for today. Even though we're not red, we're still in green. And the reason is, guys, because the SPY getting near a critical zone for a correction and going on the huge green side. We're pulling back to recorrect down. For the SPY, from my opinion, the strongest support for today, if we don't want to have the rest of the week in red, is the 529.28. This is the strongest support to hold by today and the next week. Yeah, Palantir going down heavily from 10 to 4% right now. Palantir would be great if we held over the $90. It means there's room for a reversal. There's a chance for a reversal. Look at that. This pullback was almost 6%. Weeble is unhalted. Holding the 25 still. It might be overextended here, guys. Weeble might be overextended. If we don't break the 33.50 by today, yes, there's a huge room for a pullback and consolidating down. We got a few support for it. Yeah, here and maybe there. Yeah, this one by far no good. It's still pulling back XAAG, guys. Still pulling back. I have high hope for this trade. It jumped really quickly. That's why it didn't recover right now yet. RX, come back. Not yet. Not yet, but still looking all right. RX. Yeah, Weeble is still strong, guys. Weeble still strong. This stock have IPO last week. Let's go on the IPO list here to show you. Think April 11. Why we don't have Weeble here? Let's see, Bull. Not here, but here. Yeah, it's not there yet. Yeah, founded on 2016. So this is the platform. We don't have Weeble in Europe. It's just in the United States, I think. Anyway, so AREB guys, as we discussed it before, it always pump and dump. I don't trust it right now because it's about to break the 7. Huge seller just came here for Weeble around the 9. You see, we got a little buyer right now over the 7. If we held, we're gonna have a huge reversal. Otherwise, it will be bad news. Flower Dream, ARTL. Wow. Okay, this one I was watching it before, but the reason that I don't put it here because I bought a big seller on the 156 and we're still below this level and we lost momentum after that. You see, we don't have a jump after that. So it's a bit on the weaker side. We got bad earnings back here, Monday, March. That's pretty much it. It's not exciting. It's not strong. So Weeble looking still strong, guys. I think it's the strongest one for now. The top gainer for today, 130. The rest of the market is a bit weaker. Palantir still on the 5%. SMCI still holding the gap, not bad. You see, guys, we're still holding the gap even for the SPY, so the market is not completely bad for today. It's still holding. AMD still didn't break this level. Good vibes. Why you focusing on Nvidia? Either you buying Nvidia chips or you're already average down for Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia did really great last week, but now it's pulled back from the 115. Still holding the gap here. We need to hold over the 100 technically, the psychological level for Nvidia to jump more up this week. But the 115.40 man is the strongest support for Nvidia. So we got a big buyer right now for the market, especially for Palantir, just over the 92. STSS is still holding the support. Bull, Weeble, guys. Weeble is getting crazy right now. It's about to break the 33.46. This is not coincidence. There's someone buying Weeble like crazy. Keep your eyes on Weeble, guys. The only one it is halted up and strong for today. Let me just show you what's going on. Weeble got halted now, got halted before. This is the second time. This is the third time. 3 times, guys, for Weeble. Got halted, I think, once down and twice up. Weeble, the only one is halted on the haltation list on the Nasdaq. USA R. Let's double check with this one. Yeah, this one is nope. So guys, yeah, Weeble is the strongest at the moment. AREB broke the support, so I don't trust it anymore. XAGE, the same, is getting weaker, but still have room for a reversal. It's not completely dead. So yeah, we have to focus on Weeble, guys. It's the strongest for today. It's just below the 33.46. If we get unhalted over this orange line, is me game on. We got the 36, we got the 40, we might go even the 50. This one is successful IPO, guys. The $16 was the IPO price target. We broke from it. We did almost 300% after the huge flush toward the 9. Now it is hovering just below the 33. So yeah, Weeble is the only unicorn, guys, the only unicorn for today that look strong. Coding phase, why 55, not 50 or 49? Why 55? Did you dream about this number? Yeah, Weeble, guys, we just focus on Weeble. This is the only stock we should focus on right now. The rest of the market is kind of lazy for today. Okay, boom, bull. We are unhalted. A huge jump for it right now. 36.95, guys. It is the main resistance right now. Be careful. We might test this level and then go down. We not might never see the 55 if we don't break the 36.72, brother. 32.97 is the current support at the moment for bull. Now we have to test the 36. 36, guys. 86 should be a resistance. So make sure to take profit right now, not the after that. Yeah, right now is better to take a bit of profit, guys. I'm gonna take a little profit here because I don't trust it around the 36. Yeah, this is a major resistance. If we broke the 37 right now and hold, we're gonna have another jump up. Yeah, we have another jump. Nice. So I'm gonna adjust the level right now around the 41. Yes, below the 41. Current support right now for Weeble around 32.97, guys. Weeble is squeezing, lemon squeezing. Yeah, this one could be the main event for today. Be careful, guys. The 40, it is the top target right now. 41. Yeah. If we broke the 41, yes, we might go toward the $50 or 49. So the 41 is the main resistance for Weeble. 32.96, it is the level that we have to watch out for, guys. If we want to go toward the 50. STSS, nothing much. XAGE, I don't like the technical anymore. So we only have two stocks that look great. The rest of the market is not that great. So yeah, Weeble looking interesting. But yeah, as we suggest, always take your profit, guys. SUNE, I will check it right now. SUNE. Nice. SUNE, it is nothing much. Still below the 37. So the 0.37, it is the current resistance and profit taking, and after that the 0.65. But to be clear with you, brother, is too risky to play because the bottom, it is really far. The support, we have a support over the 22, but I don't trust it that much. So it's not my cup of tea. SU and BULL or Weeble looking great, guys, as long as we hold the 33. If we don't break the 41, we expect a pullback toward the 32.90 and maybe even more. So make sure to take profit, guys, because we have a bit of struggle to break the 41. Let's check the SPY. Yeah, the SPY is up a few dollars, of course, but still below the resistance, holding the gap. So today is good, even for Palantir. We didn't break any support for AMD, for Coinbase. So we might have a huge reversal for the market later on because the market's still holding the gains. We're not completely down yet. The only unicorn, as we said, guys, is Weeble. Weeble is the strongest unicorn for today. NAOV, let me just check. NAOV. NAOV, no good as well, man. Light on volume, man. It's kind of dead. Pretty light on volume. The reason is because we might have a breakout and fake out for it. We got a resistance around the 869. Target is around the 1043 and the $15. But yeah, it's not my cup of tea. Maybe later if the volume change. But for now, it's not that good. Weeble still holding, guys. We got the 41 as a breakout. Be careful, Weeble. There's another buyer came in heavily for Weeble. If we broke the 41, we might get halted up, guys. We might get halted up if we broke this level. And then the sky is the limit, yes, toward the 49 at least. Yeah, we might go toward the 49, just below the $50. Yeah, we tested the 40.97, guys, before the 41. Now we saw the 41. Holy moly. Weeble, guys, we got FOMO. We got FOMO. FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. Yeah, we should have a pullback. We should. Let me just bring another support here. Yeah, we have a support around the 36.57, guys. Weeble is squeezing 41.78. Holy moly. Weeble, I think, will be the one for this week. Everybody, all the eyes on Weeble, guys. I think it's halted again. Yeah, I think it's time for a coffee right now. Weeble is halted again. So this is the second entry. Yeah, around 38. 41, guys. 41.78 for Weeble. Huge jump, guys, for us. Make sure to exit for Weeble, guys, after the unhalting, because we might have this reaction unhalting and then go down after the unhalting. But yeah, today Weeble is the one, guys. And now we currently on or halted again for Weeble. Almost 5 times. Weeble is halted right around, yeah, 1 minute ago. Great hunt, everybody. Great hunt. Great hunt for Weeble, everybody. Good vibes. Tea, coffee time. Exactly, man. Exactly. Exactly that. The bowl cooking. Yes, man. We got a nice bowl cooking here. The support right now, it is around the 36. The other support, it is around here. Yeah, 31. Says the best case scenario for Weeble, it is going toward the 49. But it is risky zone here because we might have a bit of fake out to then go down. Code and face, never say I should have, I could have, I would have, man. Never say that, because if you go on go back in time and try to do your whatever you have right now by holding, you could have lost everything and the price go halted down on you. So don't think about this. Think about doing a strategy that could save you money, not make you money. Because if you think about you have this mentality of holding volatile stock like this, you could lose everything by just holding, man. So never say I should have, I could have. Not even in trading, guys. In everything in life. Never have regrets. The first idea come to your head, do it. This is the right choice. Even it was the bad choice, it is the right. It's the right choice. We have something in Islam is everything written in the stars. So whatever happened is already written, so you don't have to overthink it. So it's kind of relieving and knowing that you did your best, you know. I'm not saying sleep and never try to improve. No, do your best, and whatever the outcome comes, say is the best choice I did at the right time, at the right moment. It was the right choice because you don't know the information. There is no information at the right point. And after something happened, you say, I could have, of course, because the new information came and you know something you didn't before because nobody knows the future 100%. Nmax. Let me just check this one out. No good. So yeah, guys, we only have Weeble right now. Just Weeble. Just Weeble right now. What a nice day, guys, for today. We got a nice hunt for Weeble. Make sure to take profit on this one. Trading ball, Weeble is temporarily halted by the Nasdaq. So will be unhalted at any moment, guys. Expect a gap up toward the 43, then a pullback. AREC. Oh man, okay, it's unhalted. I'm gonna take profit right now for Weeble. Boom. Yeah, I expected a huge pullback right now for Weeble. It is too risky. We tested the breakout here, and now we might go up. Of course, going up again. So I'm gonna forget about it. AREC right now. Let's check AREC. AREC 60%. Weeble 200%, and now it's pulling back. Of course, it's too dangerous, guys. It's highly unpredictable here. AREC, I don't like it, man. I don't like it, John. Yeah, it's jumping, but on the action is a bit light. We have a huge seller around the 83. So watch out for the 83. If we broke it, we're gonna have the $1 or the 99, and after that, maybe the $1.17. But for now, we have a huge resistance around the 84 that we have to break. And support to hold is over the 63 for AREC. Weeble is still jumping, guys, but it's highly unpredictable here. It's highly unpredictable. It held the breakout around the 40 and it's still jumping. Yeah, Weeble, we have FOMO right now after this breakout, and we might have another squeeze up. Let's check EHang. Yeah, EHang did 10% for today. Not bad. Still light on volume. A huge pullback down with the market is almost hitting the bottom around the $13. Yeah, EHang looking interesting for jump again toward the 1780. So yeah, it look interesting. Weeble, we should have a pullback, yeah, below the 49. Yeah, good vibes. Exactly. I completely agree with you. Okay, guys, great hunt for today. We're gonna do a major update for the market later on our Discord and Patreon, as we discussed STSS last week below the 30. For today, we have to take a time off from trading right now, guys, because the market is undecided for the swing trade. Even though we are green, the SPY is still below the resistance. But after all, we did a really good job here for Palantir, jumped really nicely. SMCI is still in green. And of course, Bull is the top unicorn for today. Huge breakout here. We spotted this play here, guys. It was nice entry here at the market open after the unhalting. Great hunt for everybody. And of course, we're going to discuss all the market later on Discord and Patreon. And join us tomorrow, as usual, 30 minutes before the market open and almost 3 hours before the market open. And our Discord and Patreon for early entry and exit for mini stocks. Thank you for watching. The link in comment section below, guys, for our community. In the meantime, hit the like button on the way out and let me know if you have any suggestion about improvement or whatever, and what you think about the market. Are we ready to reverse the next week or not? Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.